Knowledgent here, and what's in the box? All right.
Welcome to Knowledgent. Let the good times roll.
So let's give it a little look-see and give it a little quick, fast open with my handy-dandy Swiss Army knife. Oh yes, the quick release tape. Oh, alright, so little paperwork, of course. Ooh, Costa Del Mar sunglasses, and their fanciest version yet. We've got the Costa King Tides with the copper mirror finish. They released some that had a gold mirror finish, and for whatever reason they don't sell any with a gold mirror finish other than those super special ones. Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff in here. Ooh. Okay, so we got a sticker, a little sticker right here. We got a little envelope, sticky envelope. Okay, so these are some keepers to wear around your neck that hook into the sunglasses. Cleaning cloth. So that's all pretty standard that you get in most Costas, other than you don't get the little keeper in most of the glasses. So here we go. Here are the King Tide 6, which are actually larger than the King Tide 8s. I learned via YouTube. So let's see, these are the copper mirror. How do they look? Well, pretty groovy so far. So these are apparently more for inshore fishing, very similar to the green mirror, which I do have some green mirrors and do enjoy using the green mirrors. Gotta say, these are pretty comfortable. So until I actually get to have a little more time wearing them, I won't know for sure how comfortable, but so far the overall comfort and feel is very good. I have a size XL head. I'm 7.5 cap size, hat size, and on average, the Costas that are size XL are going to fit me the best. So, ooh, these are pretty overall nifty, groovy things. They have these side panels that pop off apparently, so they don't really give you good instructions. Oh, there we go. So it just kind of pops off. Ooh, they have a little pivot point there. I've not seen that. So I guess you have to squeeze these together and they pop out. Yep, that's it. On a hinge, or okay, so yeah, they just pop out there. So very tiny little piece right there. So long term, I don't know how long that will survive. I've had failures on a handful of my Costas, all due to the more plastic rubberized parts like this that just end up disintegrating, unfortunately. And all of my previous Costas were purchased a while back where they were still under the lifetime guarantee. Going forward, unfortunately, they're only going to do a 2-year warranty, which is kind of disappointing because I take really good care. I've never broken any of my lenses and done pretty good overall with that. This box, pretty nifty though. You get the biggest little box of any of the Costas with this one. I got another thing in the box because they had a sale, 50% off your second pair, and I didn't have to pay for any of these. I used my points from Cabela's to get them at Bass Pro because they were having a sale, and then on top of the sale, 50% off. So, all right, inside this box, we get instructions, we get another sticker, and these are the Tuna Alley Pros with the gold mirror. So this is what you get with the vast majority of your Costa sunglasses. Just a little case like this, very standard, and cleaning cloth inside, and just the sunglasses and nothing else. These are pretty handy. They've kept my Costa safe for years. Clean cloth. Used to not even come at all. You had to buy this separately. It seems they've gone and sort of make this standard. Okay, so let's try out the gold mirror. Okay, so these feel a tad tighter than the King Tides. And they they're pro because you get the little hole in the end here to put keepers in. So they have two varieties. Right now they're doing the ones that are set up with fishing line, where you clip it on with a little fishing clip like you would for a fish hook. Then they have this one here that only comes, as far as I know, with the King Tides. Maybe they'll start selling this also for other people. Or maybe, I mean, I've seen this one actually on their website, but I didn't see where this part would disconnect. But apparently this is the magic. It comes apart and then you can thread it through. I've been looking for a video to see how you do this, and I have not seen a video yet. So I'm guessing that the way this works magically is you thread it through this part right here. So you're threading the needle. They didn't give me a needle though. I gotta like shove it through all delicately. Oh, gotta get it through, get it through. Oh, huh. It's harder than it looks. There we go. Just like threading a needle. And, I guess you get it to that point and it stops, and then you just thread this thing back through here. And that will hold that side together. So then I have that, and this actually looks more comfortable than the fish hook clips that you get, because those kind of move around and sometimes dig into the back of my head. So this might be a better solution overall. Okay, so bam, bam, the second time a little more efficiently. I'm getting better at threading the needle. And let's see, how do I trust this to stay together? Oh, it seems decently firm. Okay, now the fit test with these things on. Okay, so the King Tide 6 versus the Tuna Alley Pro. Comment below, which one do you think looks the best? The copper silver mirror or the straight up gold mirror? Oh, okay. So until I get out of the water, take it out in the real world, do a little fishing, we'll see what happens. So the gold mirror that's here on the Tuna Alleys apparently is very good for bright days like the blue mirror. So this is for brighter conditions, but still gives really good contrast supposedly. The silver mirror are supposed to be for a wider range of conditions where you're going to do well both in the morning and evening and the middle of the day, just not as much light dissipation at that high noon, super bright time of day that you will get with a blue mirror or these gold mirrors, which we will see. I've got brown eyes. I'm not as sensitive as some of the blue-eyed, green-eyed, other lighter-eyed people. I do love my blue mirrors though. Always a fan of those. Love my green mirrors. A fan of those. So these are supposed to be sort of similar to the green mirrors, except they got a little more color poppage, supposedly. Marketing is maybe part of that as well. So the gold mirror are maybe kind of the best of many of the worlds combined. I will believe it when I see it. So they look cool though. Hey, you know, another little color at least. So good stuff all around. So I will do a follow-up and leave comments below and ask any questions, and I will do what I can to review it as I experience testing these things out. So, thanks for watching.
Nolagent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.